Hi, my name is Wyatt Carlton, and I am a fifth-generation cattle rancher with Spur Land Cattle that is family-owned and operated. Here I have behind me is a 1,000-gallon, 50-foot pasture sprayer built for us, specifically customized by chemical containers. We have chosen chemical containers to build this sprayer we have here from previous equipment we have used from them in the past. Has worked very well for our operation, and so far I have about 4,000 acres sprayed with this machine just this year.
Hi, I'm Sid Sutton with Chemical Containers. First off, I'd like to thank Wes and Wyatt Carlton for their recent purchase of the 1,000-gallon pasture sprayer. Wes and Wyatt contacted me about a year ago about customizing a sprayer for them. We went through countless phone calls, designs, back and forth, and finally came up with a heavy-duty trailer style. It's got a double swivel hitch on it. Allows for uneven terrain for the trailer to torque and turn and adjust with the terrain. Also, we put shock absorbent booms on it for all the hog rooting and bull holes.
This sprayer is 50 foot wide, which does make it a little bit tough getting around trees and fence lines and some ditch banks. But with all the different controls and stuff that Chemical Containers has added on for us, it's actually very, very simple to use. On this machine, we're set up with a 3-way nozzle selection, and all 3 nozzles that I run depends on my speed or roughness of the pasture. Some of these pastures are old tomato fields and stuff, so you have lots of little swells, so you can't run as fast, or good South Florida hog rooting will slow you down too. But the nozzles we run are an AITT J60, ranging from a 002 up to a 004. And I like these nozzles because they're air-inducted twin fan jets. And the nozzles really help as far as coverage with 2 different directions that it's actually spraying. Whenever you're going on top of smut grass and stuff that is very hard to get even adequate coverage, they really help you get the coverage that you need to get the job done.
Another customized feature on this sprayer is the hydraulic system we put on it. We used a FASI valve system which allows us to have 5 functions only using 1 remote. This in return allows the customer to easily operate the folding of the booms, the height, and the angle.
The electronics I have on this machine, I have the Matrix 840 for mapping and guidance, and for a rate controller I have a Radeon, and also with the machine it is set up with section control, which is 5 individual sections on my 50-foot boom, which is very helpful for you getting up to a fence line and you don't want to spray over top of that fence line because it's a different variety of grass, and my mapping system has me riding right next to the fence. I can turn off those sections, or if I've come over top of a place I've already sprayed, the section control will automatically turn off my sections one by one as I go over top of where I've already applied.
Other additions on this sprayer include shear bolt breakaway. The chicken wings on the end actually break away as well. And we also have the Hi-Pro clean out bowl, so the customer does not have to climb on top of his tank to mix his products.
The accuracy on this machine is actually pretty incredible with the rate controller and the section control. For instance, say I'm putting 30 gallons an acre out, and so it should be 30 acres per tank on that sprayer. And you can get as close as 29.8 to 30.2.1. It's just extremely close, and it really helps save a lot of money. With some of the chemicals we spray, some could cost us from $15 an acre upwards of $70, $75 an acre. So in return, you know, if you save $100 to $140 a tank, it's very helpful in the long run.